Hey guys, welcome back to the videos. Before we get started, if I could ask y'all just to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below, I would really appreciate it. So further ado, let's get into this video. Hey guys, so today we're actually going to be opening this Tomei box and installing it on the 350Z. So let's get started. Get this box open. First off, we have the pipes and the tip of the exhaust. We got some stickers, the badge, and the license plate. Put that right there. We have a silencer, but we're not in California, so we're not using that. And looks like all the gaskets and everything. And then, actually, this is the best part, and I actually was wrong. This is the muffler and the tip of the exhaust. So this is what it looks like. Got burnt tip with the Tomei. And I'll show you it a little bit more with it out of the wrapper. So these are the burnt tips I was telling you about. It's the titanium Tomei exhaust for the 350Z, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like together. I'm just gonna lay everything out on the table here, and then we'll get started. All right, so to put this exhaust together, all you do is slide it in, and where these little hooks are, you're gonna put these springs here. And they hold them together to make sure they don't pop off. And then you also want this to go where the exhaust hanger is, and then this one is going to wrap around the main exhaust, the muffler, and it's going to hook on to where your other exhaust hanger was. This is your little gasket for it, and then these little clamps go around to make sure it stays secure as well before you put those clips on, if that makes sense. So this is the exhaust out, the old one. And it connects right here to the Y pipe, and then back, and that's what connects to the muffler. And this thing is a heavy bitch. It is so freaking heavy. Now there's so much room in the back, and it's a whole lot lighter. So we're gonna install the Tomei now. All right, we're gonna put it on the ground now and then go for a drive.
Test drive number 1.
Oh, it doesn't backfire, dang, but it sounds good though.
It does sound good. Sounds better than it used to. I can feel it.
It's so hard.
Oh, somebody got popped.
Me.
They got, oh! They're capping them. Oh, I forgot. I gotta.
Yeah, you gotta
climb up.
Let's show them how you get out. Race car. I gotta get that fixed. Right.
Done?
Yep. Race car. Oh, it sounds good on this side too.
Right?
You can go straight if you want.
GTR.
You can go hammer it. He's driving the Z for the first time. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. I do love this exhaust a lot. It's my favorite exhaust I've ever done. We put it on Alexis's BRZ about a year ago, and we did headers and the catback, which was extremely loud. I just kind of opted for the catback only. We did off camera put it on his cousin's Evo 10, and it sounded good as well. So I had to get it for the 350Z, and it just sounded so good with it. It does have a little bit of a trumpet sound at the high RPMs. It's not really that noticeable like other exhausts. It is a one tip. I wanted the dual exhaust, but the one tip just sounded so much better than the dual. If y'all did like the video though, if you could do me a favor and just like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more, it'd be very appreciated, and it'll keep you up to date on future videos that I have in store for other cars and the 350Z. That's all I have for this video, so I'll see you on the next one. It ain't about how big it is, it's about if it works or not. Harbor Freight does what Snap-on can't.
Here's easier. Ah, I came in my eye.
That's what she said. The people will probably love this. I want to give the people what they want.
Well, that was hella white right there.
It just goes on raw dog.
You
like
sounded
no
like you were
gasket.
in the gated community.
What did I even say?
It's rolling.
Alright, here you go, boss man.
Chelsea liked it to keep them warm.
Do I look like Chelsea? I'm Michael. I got these for Christmas.
What are they?
Harbor Freight. Only the best.
Yes, sir.